Hello, Python lesson 13. How to check whether a number is positive, negative or 0 using a simple Python program. Example program. Step 1. Open PyThon 3. Step 2. Type the following codes. Number equal to int under brackets input under brackets the quotes enter a number. If number higher than 0, print under brackets and the quotes positive number. If number less than 0, print under bracket and the quotes negative number. Else print under bracket and the quotes 0. Step 3. Click the run button. Step 4. Enter number 3. Press enter key to continue. The output of this program is positive number. If we enter -3, the output of this program is positive number. If we enter 0, output of the program is 0. Okay, thank you.